Hi guys, it's Jamie with Loving All Seasons, and I am here today with a Rae Dunn Halloween and fall haul. Yep, Halloween and fall. So I have Shop With Me. I'm going to insert that so you guys can check out and see what's in my stores. It's still trickling in. And I have a funny story for you guys. If you want to stick around, I'll tell you at the end. So ones that don't want to watch it, don't have to hang around for that. But I want to say welcome to everybody. Thank you for deciding to click on me and watch my channel. I just have to tell you guys, thank you. I am almost there, you guys, for that 1,000 subscribers. I just can't believe it. So, remember, I'm doing a big giveaway for that. For my things from my favorite stores. And I know you know that the measuring cups are one of them. There's also going to be a Halloween item. So, make sure you share this with all your, people that would be interested in my channel, that loves all the seasons, that loves decorating for all the seasons, that loves Rae Dunn, Halloween, Christmas, fall, and all in between. So, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch that, and we'll meet right back here. That's right, right back here for the haul. So, do you see some of the stuff that's in the stores? My Halloween's starting to trickle in. Super excited. I'm really happy just to see Halloween in general. So, like I said, here in Michigan, we're kind of slow to the party. We're coming in late, but we're hanging out afterwards. So, first thing I'm going to show you is the fall items that I found, which you guys may have saw in the clip, if you watched it, the Shop With Me. And I know not everybody is crazy about these mugs. It's the long, like the kind of taller, not as wide. But this one says Autumn Vibes. And these are $7.99 because it comes with that wooden coaster or like topper, however you want to use it. So it's got the pretty leaf in there, but I really love that. And honestly, these mugs are pretty nice to drink out of. I will say the handle's a little weird, but I like it. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do the coffee bar for the fall time. And I already have envisioned for my Halloween, but fall, I gotta figure that out. The next fall item is apple cider. Look at that. That's that beautiful, like, burgundy. And I have one of the regular mugs with the normal handles, but it says food coma, and it has this burgundy in it, which I love it. And the food coma I like because you can have that all the way up to Thanksgiving. So, once again, $7.99. These were found at Home Goods. Comment below, anyone that has found Halloween or fall, where are you finding it? Only place I think I found was Home Goods. No, I take that back because I have one item here that I found at Marshall's. So I know it's definitely trickling in. It's just, I just love this. And I love apple cider. So we're planning on going to the apple orchard, trying to do all the fun fall festivity things, which will be seen on my other channel. Now, Halloween. The story you guys will want to hear at the end, okay? So stick around for that. And it has to do with these mugs. I found the Eek, which I don't have. I told you I didn't have tons of Halloween. And this is $5.99, of course. And this was Home Goods. It has the orange interior, the white writing with the black. I love the black and orange. I love that so much for witch themed, for Halloween in general. Bring in your pumpkins and all of that. But Eek, love it. Then this beauty, and it's not doing it justice. The color, you know, and I want to say, maybe it is the same. No, yeah. This is real glossy. This is more matte. This is a matte finish. This is glossy. It says Boo with the black writing. $5.99. Home Goods. So I found these all at the same time. It was a Tuesday morning. I was off and I went and checked it out and came across these. This one says Witch, and it has the orange writing with the black and the orange on the inside. I love this. And to be honest, I wouldn't have gotten this if a lady there wouldn't have offered it to me. My story. Stick around for the story. I'm telling you, it's quite comical. So I got all three of these same time, and it was in the morning. It wasn't an opening, but it was in the morning. Then I went over to Marshall's, and a lady was unboxing. I didn't even see her unboxing anything, but she was down further, and she come walking over, and all I saw was this, the orange, and I'm like, that's Rae Dunn. So then she kind of turned, and I saw, what? Witch, please. I wanted this so bad, you guys. I already have a bunch of these mugs, but I love them. I love switching them out. I'll use it like the beginning, probably even before October, and we'll just drink through all the way through. But I love that Witch, please. It's got a really nice seal. I will say this isn't the ones that have where the straw. It would have been nice because I always end up putting a straw in there, but it's that beautiful orange with that black writing. These are $12.99, and like I said, that was Marshall's. She literally, all she did was that, and I was like, oh, can I see that? She was like, yeah, sure. So last but not least, for Rae Dunn, is this Beware with the black cat. I couldn't pass that up. I saw a spooky one too, you guys, with little bats. Almost grabbed that. That was at Home Goods. And I said, you know what, I'm going to wait because I really want the Witch, please. And if I was going to buy any, it was going to be that one. Man, these are really tight. So they're insulated stainless steel tumblers. It holds 17 ounces for anybody that doesn't know. But look at that. With the white, the orange just pops right off. And that black cat, perfect, right? $12.99. So that is it for my Rae Dunn haul right now. But I do have a couple other items. So if you're just here for Rae Dunn, thanks for stopping by. I hope you subscribed. Make sure you click that bell for everything. And then if you're out of here, I'll see you next time. Now, for the ones that love my stories, love all the Halloween, look at these cuties. Oh my gosh. Salt and pepper shakers, like I needed anymore. These were $3.99 from Home Goods. It's by Full Moon Furnishings. But look at those ghosts and their little pumpkins. The pumpkins are just jack-o'-lanterns, I should say, because they have a face. So they're little jack-o'-lanterns. And how sweet and happy they are. And the ghosts look like, what? I'm surprised. But I love it. All right. Then I found this. This was $12.99 from HomeGoods. It says Witch's Brew, Teas and Potions since 1485, Cafe and Bakery. So this I thought will be perfect for my coffee bar. It does have a little bit of glitter, I'm not gonna lie, and I've already had the glitter all over me, but I thought this was super cute, and I think it'll look good above the coffee bar. Now, real quick, on with this story, you guys. So I was out. I went to TJ Maxx first. I go in there. There's a lady looking around, not saying nothing to no one. There were some people putting some stuff out, and she just kind of was perusing. I'm like, that's a Dunn hunter for sure. So I didn't see anything. I said, okay, I'm going to head on over to HomeGoods. So I head over to HomeGoods, but as I'm walking out, she starts walking really fast. I'm like, what's happening right now? So I head over there. As I pull in, she zooms in, gets out of her car, and kind of almost jogs into the store, you guys. Just jogs. I get out, peruse on in. I'm like, if I'm going to find something, I'm going to find something. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. If it's not, oh well. So I walk in, and there's a group of them. I think like 3 or 4 were standing there. And they had a cart full of mugs. But they had all kinds of mugs. They had candy corn. They had, I don't know. I think there was some purple. I don't remember exactly, but I just remember seeing it. And I said, oh, I'm out. So I keep walking because there's the tanks. And I kind of look. And there was a Boo, the Eek, and a Happy Halloween, which I already have the Happy Halloween. But my friend, I was going to send it to her. So I grabbed one of each for each of us, except for the Happy Halloween. And so I start looking around just to see if there's anything. And they're watching me. They were watching where I'm going, what I'm picking up. I'm like, what is going on? Right? So I get to the store, or I get into the Rae Dunn area. There's this cute little Boo that my friend was looking for, which she ended up finding. And so, but I had picked it up, didn't know. And the lady goes, are you a Dunn hunter? Do you collect? And I said, yeah, I do collect. She's like, do you sell? I said, I've sold some pieces. But it was just so funny. Like, they're very territorial. And this was not a HomeGoods I normally go to. So I was in their area. And I think that's what was going on. Now, mind you, that wasn't even the lady that raced over. Long story short, there was some there that were true collectors. There were some that were, they collect, but then someone else in their family sells it. So it was just and some were picking up for friends and different that, and I understand that. But that is why when you guys try to go in there, there's nothing, because either the sellers or people are picking up for their friends. This one I would have not had, actually, unless the lady, I wish I would have got her name, would have offered this to me. She said, I don't need another one of these. It was in her cart. She said, my friend already has it. Did you get this one? And I said, no. So I was super excited. And if she actually subscribed to my channel, I kind of told her about everything. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I understand, like, the passion and how excited you guys get. and you know, you're out there trying to get your stuff. So it's good and bad on both sides. So just to let you guys know, just go in your stores, enjoy looking at all the Halloween. Don't stress out, because you know what, it will pop up. It'll be there when you're supposed to get it. And if not, just like me getting that trick-or-treat canister, I never would have thought I would have got that. And yes, it was given to me by a friend, but you know what? I didn't even expect that. And sometimes when we least expect it, that's when we get things that we wanted, or things that maybe we're supposed to get. So keep up your guys' heads and have fun with it. Don't get stressed out. If not this year, maybe next year. And you guys have a great day. Be kind to one another. Love one another. And I'll see you next time.